2. What does kindness look like today? Let's travel back in time to a story Jesus told. A man was traveling down a dangerous road when he was attacked, robbed, and left for dead. Two respected religious leaders passed by, but both crossed to the other side of the road, ignoring him completely. Then, a Samaritan, someone from a group despised by the Jews, came along. Shay saw the injured man, and his heart was filled with compassion. He bandaged his wounds, put him on his own donkey, and took him to an inn to recover, even paying for his care. This story shows us that true kindness knows no boundaries of race, religion, or social status. Jesus finished the story by saying, "Go and do likewise." Who is your neighbor? It's anyone in need that you have the power to help. Let's be a good Samaritan today. Follow for more powerful stories.